Hello, I'm Bose, and welcome to my channel, Learningbuildslife. Today, we are going to talk about an Olympiad standard question on physics on the topic of motion. Here, we have an assertion reasoning type question. I have discussed previously that how to deal with and how to analyze the correct answers in assertion reasoning type question. So recalling that, let us solve this problem. Assertion. A passenger sitting in a moving car is at rest with respect to fellow passengers. Reason. An object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with time with respect to surroundings. Select the correct answer from the options given as below. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true, but R is false. A is false, but R is true. From these options, we have to analyze which one is the correct option. Let's start our analysis. First, let's look at the assertion. A passenger sitting in a moving car is at rest with respect to fellow passengers. This statement is true because in a car, if one passenger is sitting, with respect to its fellow passengers, it is not moving. With respect to outer surroundings, that passenger is moving because it is in a moving car, but with respect to fellow passengers, which is the surrounding for the passenger sitting in that moving car, it is at rest because it is not moving its position, it's not changing its position with respect to time, which means A is true. We'll put a tick here. Now, moving on to the reason. R. An object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with time with respect to surroundings. This is the definition of when an object is at motion. I have used this definition to prove that A is correct. R is also the correct statement. Now that our analysis tells us that both A and R are true, immediately we can understand that we have to eliminate options C and D. It won't work for us because C and D suggest that any one of them are wrong. From here, let's analyze which one, A or B, is correct. I have said that I have used the reason to prove that A was correct, which tells us that R is the correct explanation of A. Therefore, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Therefore, A is the correct answer. I am giving you a few moments to look at this problem and understand and analyze the correct answer so that you can sharpen your concept. Now we will discuss about another assertion reasoning type question. Now this is our next problem. Assertion. A moving merry-go-round shows both rotational as well as circular motion. Reason. In a circular motion, an object as a whole travels along a circular path, but in rotational motion, the object spins on its axis. Select the correct answer from the options given as below. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true, but R is false. A is false, but R is true. Again, let us do our analysis. A moving merry-go-round shows both rotational as well as circular motion. Yes, this is true, because in a merry-go-round, the seats, or the horses, they are moving in circular motion. Since circular motion is a motion when any object goes in a circular path. Those are also going in a circular path. Hence, it exhibits circular motion. This is correct, as well as it exhibits rotational motion because the rotation on its axis creates the merry-go-round to spin, causing the horses to move, or the seats to move in a circular motion. A is true. Now R. In a circular motion, an object as a whole travels along a circular path, but in rotational motion, an object spins on its axis. This is true. This statement suggests the definitions of circular motion and rotational motion, and I have used these definitions to prove that A is correct. R is also true, which immediately suggests that we will eliminate options C and D, which tell us that any one of them is wrong. These are out. Let's focus on A and B. As I said, I used R to prove that A was correct, which suggests that R is the correct explanation of A. Therefore, A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. And A is our correct answer. I am giving you a few moments to look at the board so that you can analyze how we got this correct answer so that you can sharpen your mind. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Learning Builds Life, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.